Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about the dustbin arrangement, and we'll discuss how you can achieve this kind of wall mount dustbin arrangement. Okay, a clean and usable wall mount arrangement. Okay, so we'll discuss about this arrangement particularly, and then we will discuss about the installation. I'll give you the tips to install at the right location, and then we'll discuss about the pros and cons of this arrangement. Okay, so let's discuss about the arrangement itself first. So if you see, there is a wall mount stand. Okay, it's a stainless steel stand, and we have been using for it for about 3 years. And because it is stainless steel, it doesn't catch any rust, or it doesn't breaks. Okay, doesn't break. Now the size of the stand is actually 10 inch. The diameter is 10 inch, and the height of the stand is about 8 inches. Okay, so the 10 inch is a very standard one. If you see that this dustbin is 12 inches. Okay, it's a very standard dustbin, and this comes in the cone shape. The dustbin comes in the cone shape, so the bottom is smaller, and the top is usually bigger. So bottom is usually 8 inches. This one has the 8 inch, and because the diameter of the stand is 10 inch, it can easily go inside, okay, and take it out. So the 10 inch one is the ideal one, and if you have the similar use case, then you can go for the 10 inch stand. Okay, and the dustbin would be 12 inch height. Okay, 8 inch bottom, 12 inch top, and the height also 12 inch. Okay, don't go for the 8 inch stand, because that will be too narrow and you can't fix the standard size dustbin into it. Okay, and if you have the bigger use case, if you have the bigger family, then you have to find a bigger stand. 10 inch one will not work, but in most use cases the 10 inch one is ideal and it works. Okay, so that's about the setup. Okay, now we'll discuss about the installation part. See, you need to install at a height which is usable, so that you can use it without using any kind of stand, and you should be able to see it inside, so that you can organize the trash. And when you have to throw the trash, you can easily take out the cover from it, and you have to clean it, so you should be able to easily take it out. So height should be usable based on your family members height. And another thing is the position. See, you can install it inside or outside, any location, wherever it is suitable for you. Okay, in my case, I'll show you my arrangement as a tips. Okay, so if you see, this is our we have installed it in our compound, not inside the house. And this is the exit for our kitchen, and we have installed it on the right side. Now why right side? Because left side we have the utility area, and we use it on a frequently basis. This side we use lesser. Okay, so we have installed it on the right side. Now obvious advantage of this arrangement is this will not obstruct the free movement. As I told you, this is 10 inch in the diameter, so it comes 10 inch outside of the wall. So if you install at the location where you are having a lot of free movements, then it will create the obstacle. Okay, so it should be installed at the approachable height and the approachable area, and it should not obstruct the free movement. Okay, now why I said approachable location is because the dustbin is used quite frequently in the kitchen task, so it should be in the approachable area. For example, in our case, it is in the compound, but without even going into the compound, we can use it, just because our compound this side is only 3 feet. So just by standing in the kitchen itself, we can use it. Okay, so it is very approachable. Now this is about the installation tips, about the height and the location. And now we'll discuss about the pros and cons of this arrangement. See, the pros are too many. For example, this looks much cleaner approach. Okay, because it is wall mount, so it doesn't occupy any space on the surface, and the surface remains clean. Okay, we can also clean it easily without removing the dustbin. So it saves space, it looks well organized, it keeps the surface clean. And now another thing is, particularly about the installation, I'll tell you, because we have installed it on the outside. So the advantage is the bed smell, the odor will not come into the kitchen, and the kitchen will look clean. The trash would be outside. Okay, so that is another advantage of this installation particularly. And the arrangement particularly, even if you install inside there, it has a lot of advantages. Okay, now let's discuss about the cons. Okay, so there is no con particularly in this arrangement. It's a very nice arrangement wherever you install. Only thing is, if you are installing outside, then that outside installation has few problems. For example, in the rainy season, the water will go inside. So the obvious solution is you can buy the capped one. Okay, and if you are buying this ordinary one, then you can have a spare cap like this. See, we have this cap, so we use that cap to keep on top of it in the rainy season. Okay, and another thing is because it is installed outside, so it doesn't last longer because of the sun rays. This plastic dustbin breaks. Okay, so we have to replace it every 1 year. So this costs only 50 to 60 rupees. Dustbin is an ordinary dustbin. Replacing every year is not a big deal. So that's why I told you that there is no particular disadvantage in this arrangement. It's a good arrangement, okay, and we are very satisfied with this arrangement. Now you see these black clips, okay. So these clips are also available online. You can explore on the Amazon site. I'll put the link of this product also in the description, okay, if I find it. Now how these are used: when you put the cover in the dustbin, any kind of cover, so you can put these clips so that the cover doesn't fly off, okay. So this is how they are used, and they also look good only, there is no problem with them. So that's all guys, that's it about this video. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section, and if you like this content, the like button for this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.